Drop. Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, body in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Baskets, articulate MCs.
Alright, this is a big day. The alternator is put in. Let's see what we get. Right up to 14.7. So I'm gonna play with this on the way home and see how it works, and I'll do another video. Yep, she's in there. I'll check. So it's going pretty good. There's some positive from there to the alt. Alright, so we got some things figured out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna replace all these lugs. This one, all that. All this power wire is CCA and not OFC, which I'm gonna replace. That might be part of my problem, because you see, it's sitting at 14.6, but it can't keep up with it. It just flashes low still every time I play it. So all this wire is gonna get replaced. All this shit. New grounds. We're gonna run a ground from the front straight to the back. I'm adding a second battery. Another one of those I'm gonna put back here. And all OFC power wire. New grounds, new lugs. Hopefully that should make a big difference. I mean, alternator is doing its job. 14.7. So hopefully that stuff comes next week. We can get it in soon and we'll see what's going on.
Just trying to get comfortable with the booth again, people.